Many developers struggle with event-binding syntax when starting with Angular, but there's a simple pattern that works every time. In Angular, you handle button clicks using parentheses around the event name. The syntax is simple. Wrap click in parentheses and assign it to a method name. This tells Angular to listen for click events on that element and execute your handler when the button is pressed. The method you reference in the template must be defined in your component class. Angular creates a direct connection between the template event and the TypeScript method. When the user clicks the button, Angular calls your method automatically. This separation keeps your logic in the component, while your template stays clean and declarative. You can pass data to your click handler in two ways. First, use the $event object to access the native browser event with all its properties. Second, pass custom parameters like strings, numbers, or component properties. You can even combine both approaches, passing the event object alongside your own data. This flexibility lets you handle simple clicks or complex interactions with the same pattern. Remember, parentheses for events. The method lives in your component class, and you can pass event objects or custom data. Master this pattern, and you'll handle any user interaction Angular throws at you. Now go build something interactive. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.